Hello, all the students of Standard 2. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in homework of your own time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to check all the homework which I have given to you. Eat healthy food, play some indoor games, don't go outside to play and eat junk food. Okay? So today I'm going to teach you science, chapter 7, housing and clothing is going on. Okay? We are in the page number 77, house that can be moved from place to place. Place to place. Okay, I was teaching this topic. I told you that houses that are not fixed at a place can move from one place to another place, but like kacha houses and pakka houses that are fixed to the ground, so they cannot move from one place to another place. Example of houses that are not fixed are caravan, tent, houseboat. Okay, are the example of such houses. Now we'll go for caravan. What is a caravan? Caravan means a car plus van. Okay. The caravan, caravan meaning actually large enclosed vehicle for living in. It is usually pulled along by a car. Okay, it is usually pulled along by a car. So caravan is like a house on wheels and can be driven from one place to another. Okay, caravan is like a house on wheels, actually with the hook, with the backside of the car hooks and the caravan hooks. It is interconnected and it is can be moved from one place to another place. So a caravan is a house. It's like a house. Okay, it's like a house on wheels. Okay, this house is on a wheels and can be driven from one place to another. One place to another. Okay. Now we'll go for a houseboat. A houseboat is built on a boat because boat is there, so it is built on a boat, and it can sail on water from one place to another, and it actually sail. Caravan, it's driven on the wind, but this houseboat it sail on the water. So houseboat is built on a boat. Houseboat is built on a boat. Okay, and it can sail on water. Okay, from one place to another. Okay, now last point is tent. A tent is a house made of a framework covered with a thick cloth. It can be folded and carried from place to place. Okay, a tent house is a framework. Framework means our bones. Our bone structure is like a framework. So this tent is also a house which is made of a framework covered with a thick cloth, and it can be folded. After making the tent, for this you need some iron also. Okay, iron nail. You need rope also, and you need that tent which is made from a thick cloth. And after that, after using, you can fold it also, and it can take it from one place to another. So a tent is a house made of framework covered with thick cloth, a thick cloth, and it can be folded. It can be folded and carried from place to place. Okay. So this is houses that can be moved from place to place. So first caravan will be seen. A caravan is like a house on wheels and be driven from one place to another. Houseboat is built on a boat and it can sail on water from one place to another. Now tent, so a tent is a house made up of framework covered with a thick cloth, and it can be folded and you can carry it from one place to another. Now we come to page number 78. Okay, so this is page number 78. So tents are commonly used by nomads. Nomads means a group of people who move around with their shepherd, with their animals, grazing animals. They are people who travel from place to place to find fresh pasture to graze the animal. Okay, yes, I told you that they take their animals like sheep, camels, many goats, animals. They move from place to place to find fresh pasture for grazing their animals. So tents are commonly used by nomads. Okay. Who are nomads? So they are people who move. They are people who travel from place to place, place to place to find fresh pasture for grazing their animals. For grazing their animals. Now nomads in different parts of the world, live in different types of tents. Okay, in different types of world they live in different types of tents. Now there are two examples of tents are there that is used by nomads are yurt and teepee. Okay, yurt and teepee. Teepee are examples of tents used by nomads. Okay, and different parts of the world, different nomads they use different tents. That's why written nomads in the different parts of the world live in different types of tents. Okay, so till here I am stopping. In lecture number 2 I will go for clothes we wear. Okay.